Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for central Burlington County in southern New Jersey until 10:15 p.m. At 8:12 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Additional rainfall amounts of 0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Willingboro, Medford, Lumberton, Mount Holly, Pemberton, Leisure-Town, Cinnaminson, National Weather Service Office, Pemberton Heights, and Morristown, Linola. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.